Hello students. So in our division chapter we have learning many interesting topic, right? Today last video we have learned the meaning of HCF and LCM. HCF is nothing but highest common factor, LCM is least common multiple. Okay. So here is a question. Let us read and solve. Find the highest common factor, that is HCF of 12 and 18. So to find HCF, first you have to find out the multiples of 12 and 18. Okay. So multiples, you know the meaning. So 12 we know 1, 2, 2 6 are 12, again 3, 3 4s are 12, again 4, 4 3s are 12, 6 and 12, 6 2s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. These are the multiples of 12. Next let us find the multiples of 18. Okay. So again 1, again 2, 2 9s are 18, 3, 3 6 are 18, 4 no, 5 also no, 6, 6 3s are 18 and 9, 9 2s are 18 and 12, sorry 18, 18 1s are 18. This is a multiple of 12, this is a multiple of 18. Now you can see some of the common multiples in both. Common multiples we know 1, 2, 3, 6, right? In this, which is the highest number we have? We have 6. Therefore HCF is 6. As 6 is 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So HCF is the highest common factor of 12 and 18. Have you understood? Yes. Next question. Find the least common multiple of 12 and 18. Find least common multiple of 12 and 18. So for here you have to write just the multiples of 12, that is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. This much is enough. Okay. Again for 18 we get 18, 36, 54 and 72. Okay, this much is enough because we have to write the least common factor. If we want highest, means still more numbers we can add. Okay, we want least. For least we have 36 here and here also. So here LCM is 36. LCM is 36. Okay, as 36 is a factor of 12 and 18, we get 36. So I hope you understood this to sum. So student, here is a table given. We have to compare the numbers, two numbers, and we have to solve the HCF. Okay. So previously we are writing the common multiples, and in that which is the highest number we are choosing, right? Here by mind you have to do. Okay. For example 2 and 10 is there. 2 and 10 is there. 2 and 10, which is a common multiple in 2. For 2, just 2 is a multiple, other than 2 we don't have. So just write 2. Okay. And for 3, 3 only and 1. So for in 3 ones are tables, 10 will not come, right? But in 2 ones are 2 5s are 10 will come, so I have written 2. Okay. In 3 ones are 10 is not available. So writing 1 is a common multiple of 3 and 10. Okay. Again if I take 12 and 10, 12 and 10, so 12 will come in 2 ones are 2 6 are 12 and 10 also 2 5s are 10. So 2 is a common factor, so which is also the highest common factor. In 3 ones are we will not get 10. So I have written 2. Again for 15 and 10, 15 and 10 will come in 5 ones are, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So 5 is the highest common factor, that is HCF. Again for same for 12 also, 2, 12, same 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6s are 12. Again 3 and 12, 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 3 is a HCF. 12 and 12, 12 is the highest because 12 ones are 12, it is the highest. So we get in 2 ones are, 3 ones are, 4 ones are, it is also smallest number, 12 is the highest number. And for 15 and 12 we have 3 because 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 is the HCF. And for 2 and 18 we got 2 because 2 will come in just 2 ones are tables, and 3 and 18 3 itself. Okay. Again 2 and 12 and 18 we have 6. 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, but it is a smallest number, and even 3 is also smallest number compared to 6. So 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So 6 is a highest HCF, highest common factor, and 15 and 18 3 is a HCF. And again 2 and 30 we get 2 only, 3 and 30 we get 3 only, 12 and 30 we get 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. So I have written 6 as a HCF. Again 15 and 30 we get 15 because 15 ones are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 15 is a HCF. So it is very easy until you understand the concept. Okay. So I want you to solve one more table as given, which is done for LCM. I have solved for HCF. I want you to solve for LCM and send it to me. So I hope you understood this. So thank you so much for watching the video.